how this goes. Probably I should be using HE on a Cleveland, just for fear of overpins. He's cruising there. Just the easier shot I can take now that I'm reloaded. This guy's got that fancy armor, or camo. Oh, that Nurnberg's too tempting now. Because the Nurnberg is all Citadel. All day long. And those look loosely on target. There we go. There you go. That's why the Nurnberg is my target. 3 hits, 30,000 damage. Done. I have no words. I mean, the Arizona, first of all, is great, but it doesn't have to be in Arizona to pull that off. The Nurnberg is just that bad. 3 hits, 3 sits, you're done.